How to fix Marvel Rivals not launching. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Steam application in your PC. Once you open the Steam, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, simply go ahead and tap on Library, and then you'll find Marvel Rivals right over here. Go ahead and right click onto it, tap on Properties, come to the Install Files section, and then simply tap on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Doing this will help you to launch the game. If it does not help you, go ahead and tap on Browse right over here. Once you tap onto it, this is going to open up. From here, go ahead and find the Marvel Rivals launcher. Right click onto it, tap on Properties. Now from here, simply select Compatibility and then tap on Run this program as an administrator. After that, tap on Run this program in compatibility mode. It usually starts with the Windows 8, so go ahead and tap on Apply and then tap on OK. Once you're done, go ahead and open Steam again and launch your Marvel Rivals. And after that, your Marvel Rivals should launch properly. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.